I'm here with Henry Leisha, CEO of Gulf Meat Products. Can you tell me a little bit more about the company?
Gulf Meat Products is a new production facility in the Hamaria Free Zone. We are just 1.5 years in the market now, and we are producing meat products mainly in 3 ranges: frozen, chilled and canned items.
And who are you supplying to, and what is the feedback generally from the people that you supply to?
We have different selling channels. One is HoReCa, the hotel industry, catering, restaurants. Then we have a retail section, which is be done by van sale drivers. Another section is wholesalers, and then we do export.
And can you tell us a little bit about the products that you do produce?
We are mainly into frozen chicken franks, beef burgers, minced meat items, but also in cold cuts like mortadella, salamis, and then the same range in canned items.
Now, you won an award here at SIAL for the Innovation Award for the canned camel cocktail sausage. How do you feel about being nominated for an award like that?
We are very excited. I think it's not only myself. We are very proud about this achievement. It goes to the whole team, which pays back to us for this innovation process we are doing for the last 1.5 years, where we developed over 200 new products. And I think it encourages us to do more of that. So
we can expect to see more products of innovation from Gulf Meat Products?
Definitely. We have a long list of items we are working on. We don't tell you yet. You will see it when we get the next award. But there's a lot of things coming up, and we are working hard to get the next one.
Thank you very much.
And Mr. Hendrik is my good friend, and we deal with him for the last 1 year almost. And we deal in all his sausage products. It is some specialty product which is innovative product he launched in the market recently, and is well response from the food services as well as from the retail chains. And our company is spread across the region. Okay, we have all the branches in Muscat, UAE. Lulu is a distribution chain, and we do a lot of private label also. And we have a plan to do some frozen poultry products from this company, like sausage and other things. We already had a discussion with him. And this SIAL is a platform for all showcasing new products, innovative products. For especially now I heard from Mr. Henry, his company award, GMP awarded for the camel sausages, which is innovative products in this market. It is very rarely and very good and new innovative things in the market for customer can taste and buy the product. And my opinion, I tasted it is very, very fantastic product for this market. And other range of product what we produce here, it is very apt for this consumers which is based in the UAE market. As for in Oman and other Arab countries, it is pure halal meat, and is well customer awareness scheme also is promoting in the market.
So what factors are important when you're working with a supplier such as Gulf Meat Products?
The level we are working with the customer service is excellent, and the price, the value for the money is a good product. And especially that hygiene section of his factory, I visited his factory, and it is very good, and it is the appearance of the product is very good, and it is good to have in the supermarket shelf as well as the food service section.
So you have a good existing relationship with Gulf Meat Products, but what do you hope for your future with them?
The future means it is very good future products, because you can extend the range of products, mortadella, which is exiting. And I suggest him last week when we had a meeting to do some more varieties, like ingredients, which is including some recipe, more varieties of mortadella, pepperoni, and this kind of sausage which is more demand in this market, food services and household items.
So when you're buying products from a producer and from a supplier, what is it that you look for? What qualities would you like to have?
Well, we look first of all about the quality of the products, and we look at the packaging. We look at the company's basically strength in terms of marketing, in terms of them handling the products. We look at their history, how long they have been in this business. So these are some of the main factors we look into.
So what factors do you look for when you're buying products?
First, and the most important factor we look for is to achieve customer satisfaction in that product. So we focus into bringing items and handling items that we think from the initial phase that it will be popular and it will be having a successful launch to it.
Now, I understand that you're an existing customer of Gulf Meat products. What is it that you like about our products and about our suppliers?
About the product here, yes, actually the main thing that took my attention was the packaging. The packaging was very, very well done, very beautiful. The shining effect was they have used a very special way into the packaging that made it very, very appealing.
So, what is your experience with working with Gulf Meat products?
Well, it's been a pleasure. I mean, I've known this company for about 1.5 years right now, and it's just been an absolute pleasure. I mean, really professional company. All in all, from the moment it started, I've interacted with 2 people and that's all we needed. Normally when you interact with companies of such standard, it's just 5 or 6 people and it's all around the place. But the best thing about Gulf Meat Company, it's just very well organized.
And what about the products itself?
The products itself, I've already seen it in the hotels and everything as much. Us being the supplier, I've only seen the factory once as it is. To be quite honest with you.
And your customers are happy with the actual product?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. I mean, we interact with a lot of hotel people, the chefs in the hotel industry and all that, and they are tremendously happy with the product.
Anyway, I'm still on the move, looking for good suppliers who can supply Kuwait Airlines with quality products. If the quality is right, consistency is right, if the price is right, why not? We will definitely go for these products. And right here is from Survey Flight Kitchen in Paris. Is one of our suppliers for Kuwait Airlines. So it was coincidence we met each other today around 10:30. So we are now together making a tour, trying to find the right product for future menu specifications.
Sorry, can I ask your name?
Yes, my name is Jean-Louis Moreau. I'm from SIAL, and my guest to come here was to meet the airlines. So, as he told you, we just met at 10:30. So it was good to look around with him and see how diversity there is in this conference. So a lot of products from many countries. So it's a rich conference, and we're happy to be here.
So you're saying that you supply Kuwait Airlines. What is it that you look for when you're looking for a supplier?
Yeah, as I'm working in the sales department, so I'm more in charge of contracts, supplies, and menu designation. We got a purchasing department in charge of looking for products. So I'm not in specialty of looking for supply products.
So when you're planning a menu, what specifications do you have? What do you look for?
First, number one, it's the profile of passengers, who travels in which classes. Accordingly, I compile the menus for locals, and I see if we analyze the number of passengers flying in different routes, and based on the passenger comments, then we design a menu, and we don't impose our special menus on them. We take their feedbacks. Accordingly, we plan our menu to suit their taste buds.
So you said that you take feedback. Have you had any requests for camel products? And because at Gulf Meat Products, we produce a camel sausage. So do you think locals would be interested in a product like this on airlines?
Sure. That's why I'm here today. I'm looking for something new, creative products, because our passengers are sick and tired of having the same thing on board. So every time I plan a menu, I try to create something palatable and something for them to say, wow, this time we have got something new, something interesting. I remember when I was flying after implementing our new menu in Kuwait, ex-Kuwait, as of 1st of November, and I was in the first class. I see the passengers taking photographs from the hors d'oeuvre trolley. That's a new menu. So this way, I can see the passengers are looking for something new and better and healthy.